Yo, what is up, everybody? I'm G here with another video inside of another random video. So right here, this is my cousin's puppy. He's a little bit sick, and we're trying to he's not aggressive. He's just playful. We want to give him a bath and stuff. Here, hold it like this. Hold the camera like that. Okay. Dante. 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 Down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
Say hello, Tate. Say hello.
He's a playful puppy. Like, really playful. Like, you have to be careful because he will play with your sock and bite you, and this is what happens. He ripped both of my socks when he was trying to get them. Here, boom. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there it is. And there's the other one. He did all of that just so he can get the sock. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm sorry. He loves it when I'm scratching him. Really. Dante.
So guys, this is our new video to let y'all to see our puppy.
Like, I'm just hiding my socks from my mom. Plus, I'm not been uploading daily was because my tablet, oh gosh, it's cracked when I punched it really hard. Plus it gets freezing.
Bah!
Don't hit him.
Amazon.
Kid hit a dog.
Good boy. So guys, leave in the comments down below if he's a boy or a girl.
Dude, his name's Dante. Definitely is a boy.
Yeah.
Who's a good boy?
Who's a good boy? Who's the book of boy?
Hold the camera, hold the camera, hold the camera.
Okay.
Dante. You don't scratch your ear?
Which one's yours? The one in white.
I'm taking pictures. So sorry guys for interrupt. So yeah. Good boy. Say hello. Say hello.
Don't scratch me.
So we're gonna do
So go tell Emma now if we're going to do it. Okay guys, so sorry, I paused it and like I didn't knew that I paused it, so we're gonna go back in there and show you the hallway because it was paused all this time. So here's Dante. So Ezekiel's gonna show you everything.
So here's just a closet where the things are.
So it's just a closet.
Yeah, what are the things? There's always open. Way.
His brother's room.
Also Jose.
The bathroom, which wasn't opened. I think my mom came in here.
Yeah.
Or his sister, the girl's room, his dad's room.
Evelyn and Adam and
And that's his dad's room over there.
my mom. And there's something there. Like my cousin.
Okay guys, but here's the thing. Since we just moved to our house, it's not that far away from here. We just have to, there's a Jack in the Box somewhere around that area over there. So when we hear Home Alone, and like we're bored and we don't want to lay down in the couch anymore or sit, we have to cross the closet. I mean, not the closet. We have to go through the hall into his parents' room, which that's where he has his bed, and that's where we lay down and watch videos. It's been creepy for the past few days since we came here, but Dante, it's beautiful. So guys, I think that I'm just going to end the video here because we thought that we were supposed to give him a shower right now, but they said later, but yeah, see you later. Bye.
Peace out.